So we start with some rotational movements to warm up the body and gentle sun salutation preparatory movements. They're called nerve tensioning exercises to help open the shoulders, the neck, the hips. And then we get into the salutations. In the full-length video, I give very exact cues, which are the language of how to do a posture that helps to invigorate the body and keep the posture safe and give you more muscle activation so that you can get stronger doing the poses. We then do standing poses, and this is where we open the hips. It's the standing postures that really open the hips for the more advanced yoga poses. Standing poses also opens the upper chest a lot if you know how to manipulate your shoulder blades while you're standing. The fresh air outside is invigorating, and it's very pleasant and soothing to the nervous system to be surrounded by the color green and blue. So a blue sky on green grass is very soothing for the nervous system. And a lot of the poses, the ordering of the poses is very important as you progressively go deeper into the pelvis or deeper into the spine, or even warming up the hands to be able to bear weight, to hold your body weight on your hands. It's a very unnatural thing. Warming up is useful for the longevity of your practice. Also, that's so important, that's so underemphasized, is the shoulder stand or the inversion to help calm you down at the end of yoga. And here we just go right into Shavasana. In Shavasana, which is also underemphasized, you should stay so long that your breathing becomes very deep and passive.